Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about an important topic, that is client hunting. So how you can do client hunting in your Google Chrome browser. Here you can see this one is a single line that you can use to extract the data that you want. For example, I want to extract the data of the people that having Instagram account. They are makeup artist, they lives in California and they have Gmail account. I can copy this one and add here. Then click Google search. So now we got all of the people with their Gmail. Here you can see this one that have Instagram account and they meet these terms and conditions. If I scroll down, so I want to get more results on this page, but here you can see I need to move on next page. So how you can fix out that? In older variants you are choosing like continuous scrolling that you can easily enable from your Google Chrome browser, then if you scroll down you will get more results here. So now let's see how we can get that feature. Here you can go and search for Infi Scroll Chrome extension. You can add this extension from Chrome Web Store free of cost. Here you can go and click on add to Chrome. Okay, then you can pin it at the top. After that, now let me go back and research. Now if I scroll down, here you can see I got page 2 result here. Again, if I keep scrolling, I'm getting more and more pages here. So how we can get these Gmails without doing anything? Just you can copy all the text that you see on this page. From here, so guys, at this point I want to use one of the powerful AI tool, Gemini. Here let me go and type Gemini Google. This one is the official website. Here you can open it, and then here we can type something. Just keep emails from this content, then add your content here. Here you can see I have added all of the text, then click here submit button. So now we got all of the emails from that rough text. In this way you can easily use any of your desired AI tool, and then you can easily clean your content and extract that content that you want.